students, welcome back to my channel Smarter Everyday Over Learning. Students, in this class our today's session is about isoelectronic species. See students, here we are having the question like this: which of the following constitutes a group of isoelectronic species? So in exams these type of questions you are having, students. That means some options they may be give some type of options like this, and species like this A and B, C, D, like these options they will give. Among these you have to select which one is isoelectronic species. So students, before going to do the solution for this, you have to know what is meant by isoelectronic species. The species or the chemical species of atom or ions or molecules which are having the same number of electrons, that is called as isoelectronic species. Did you understand, students? That means, first suppose CO2 2 minus, O2 minus and CO and NO. Okay students, here if you calculate the electrons for all these, you should get the same number of electrons for this. Okay students, I'll start the class. I'll start the explanation for this. Let's start. See option A. What you are having here, option A. See here students, CO2 2 minus. That means this is the ion. Carbon and oxygen also, these two atoms are present here. Students, if we can calculate the electrons of carbon and as well as oxygen, students. Students, you know carbon atomic number and oxygen atomic number. See, we shall start. For carbon, atomic number is 6. So students, what is meant by atomic number? Which indicates the number of electrons. So atomic number represents that number of electrons and as well as number of protons. So for carbon, here 6 is the atomic number, so that electrons also 6. So carbon is having 6 electrons. And for oxygen, here O2 2 minus is there, so that oxygen 2 atoms are present here. So students, oxygen atomic number is 8 and the electrons also same, 8 are the electrons. And students, here 2 oxygen atoms are present, so that 8 into 2, that is 16. Then students, if you add these two numbers, that is 6 plus this 16, how much students? 24 electrons. But here CO2 2 minus is there, that is the ion 2 minus, CO2 2 minus is there. So that 2 minus means you have to add 2 electrons to this. Minus is the anion. So when is the ionic formation? Anionic formation, that is by the addition of the electrons. So we have to add 2 for this. Then finally we should get 26 electrons for this. So students, for CO2 2 minus there are 26 electrons. Is it clear? And coming to CO, we will calculate electrons for C and O. Students, only CO for carbon and oxygen. For carbon, atomic number 6 and oxygen atomic number 8. If you add these two numbers, 8 plus 6, that is 14. So CO has 14 electrons, students. And here O2 minus, only O2 minus is there. For this also we need to calculate the number of electrons here. So students, here O2, oxygen atomic number 8, here 2 atoms are present. So 8 into 2, that is 16, minus 1 minus is there. So that we need to add 1 electron to that. Here plus 1. So 17 electrons. If you do this type of calculation for this CO2 2 minus, O2 minus, CO, we are getting the various numbers here. For CO2 2 minus 16. not 16, that is 26. For CO2 2 minus, we got here 26 electrons, students, and for CO we got here only 14 electrons, and for O2 minus we got here 17 electrons. So this species which we are having option A, that is the wrong answer for this question. Why? Because while we are doing the calculation for this, we got the various electrons for this, so that this is the wrong answer. Then we will start the option B, Cn minus N2 and O2 2 minus, C2 2 minus. If you do the electrons calculation of the electrons for the option B, we will finalize which one is the correct answer for this. And see, students, here option B I am doing here, option B, and Cn minus. See, students, here C carbon is there and N is the nitrogen here. Okay, students, so carbon and nitrogen. For carbon, atomic number is 6 here, and nitrogen atomic number is 7 here. Here one minus is there, so that we need to add one electron to that. Why? Because it is an anion. So by addition of one electron, anion can be formed. And plus 1. So 14. 14 electrons for Cn minus. And students, if you do the calculation for N2, nitrogen N2 and one nitrogen atom, atomic number 7, and here 2 nitrogen atoms are there, so that for this also 14 electrons we are having. Here see, students, O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus. For O2 2 minus, that means oxygen atomic number, students, what is the atomic number of oxygen? That is 8 into 2, that is 16, and minus 2 is there. For that we can add plus 2, and that is 18. So students, if we calculate like this, for option B, Cn minus and N2 and O2 2 minus, 14 electrons and 18 electrons have come, so that students, option B also wrong answer for the isoelectronic species. Let's go with option C, NO plus, C2 2 minus, Cn minus, N2. If we do the calculation for the electrons for option C, if we get the same number of electrons, then that option C is the correct answer. Let's start. For option C, that is, the first one is NO plus. So students, for NO plus, here nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, students, for this, nitrogen atomic number 7 plus oxygen atomic number is 8. Here only one plus, so this is the formation of cation, so that we need to remove one electron from this. Here minus 1. So the electrons are 14 electrons for NO plus. Again here the next one is C2 2 minus. C2 2 minus. Here students, the carbon atoms are 2 present here. Let us start. Carbon atomic number 6. 2 means 6 into 2. 2 minus is there, that is the formation of anion. We have to add plus 2. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. For option C, first one and second one also we got 14 as the answer. We should do the third one, that is Cn minus. Cn minus. Okay students, for carbon atomic number 6 plus nitrogen atomic number, that is 7. So that 7 electrons. And students, here minus is there. That's what we need to add 1 electron to this. So plus 1 we need to add. So the total is 14. So 14 electrons are there for Cn minus ion. Let's go to the next one, N2. N2 means nitrogen, 2 atoms of nitrogen, and students, nitrogen atomic number is 7. There are 2 atoms of nitrogen, so that 7 into 2 for N2, 7 into 2, that is the number 14. Okay students, if we do the calculation of the electrons, finding the electrons, we got for NO plus 14 electrons, C2 2 minus also 14 electrons we got, Cn minus also 14 electrons we got, and N2 also 14 electrons we got students. So option C is the correct answer for the following isoelectronic species. Let's start with option D. Also we will check whether it is correct or not. C in option C is correct. Option D. Let's do the calculation for option D students. O2 2 minus, O2 2 minus and F minus and Na plus and Mg plus 2 and Al plus 3. If we do the calculation for option D, that will be like this. O2 minus, O means that is oxygen, atomic number 8, then electrons also same students, that is 8 only, then 8. Here 2 minus is there, that is nothing but an anion. Then we have to add 2 electrons to this, so that plus 2. Plus 2 means how much students? 10 electrons. So for O2 minus, only O2 minus, 10 electrons we got it. And for fluorine, fluoride ion, F minus, fluorine atomic number 9 students. Here 1 minus is there, so that we need to add 1 electron to this, and plus 1, so 10 electrons. And next one is Na plus. Na plus, sodium is the sodium atom, ionic atomic number 11. So here plus is there, so that we need to remove 1 electron students from Na plus, from Na atom. So here minus 1. So how much students? 10 electrons. Is it clear? 10 electrons. For magnesium, that is Mg plus 2, magnesium atomic number 12, then 12 electrons are present, but here plus 2 is there, so that we need to remove 2 electrons from this magnesium. Then finally we got 10 electrons for Mg plus 2 also. And students, for aluminium plus 3, aluminium atomic number is 13, and students here plus 3 is there, so we need to remove 3 electrons from this, minus 3, then the number is 10 students. So if you observe, these are all electrons. What we got finally students, all are 10 electrons only. For O2 minus and F minus, Na plus, Mg plus 2 and Al plus 3 also, we got only 10 electrons for this. So option D also correct, which belongs to isoelectronic species. Okay students, in these 4 options, option C and option D also, these 2 are correct, which belongs to isoelectronic species. Okay students, this is about our today's class. If you have any doubts, just convey your doubt in the comment section. Please, if you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.